Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Adobe Commerce storefront revenue. To withdraw from your Adobe Commerce storefront revenue, begin by logging into your Adobe Commerce admin panel. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various management options. Look for the Sales tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Orders to view your recent sales transactions. Locate the order from which you wish to withdraw revenue. Click on the order number to open its details page. On this page, you'll see payment information related to the transaction. Scroll down to find the Payments section. Here, you will find options related to payment processing and withdrawal. Select the option that corresponds to your desired withdrawal method. If necessary, fill in any required details for processing the withdrawal. Ensure that all information is accurate, as it can affect the withdrawal process. Once all details are confirmed, click the Submit or Withdraw button. You will receive a notification confirming that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Next, check your email for any further instructions or notifications from Adobe Commerce. It may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your account, depending on the payment method chosen. Keep track of the status of your withdrawal in the Transaction History section of your admin panel. If you encounter any issues during this process, consult the Adobe Commerce support documentation. Follow up with customer support if you need assistance or clarification on your withdrawal status. Always ensure that you are adhering to any financial regulations relevant to your location. Regularly monitor your storefront revenue to maintain accurate financial records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.